cha-cha-cha. Thank you, couples. Here's your next dance, the rumba. Thank you, couples. Now here's your fourth and final dance. Your dance, the jive.
She's wearing a blonde all like a movie star, and she's stepping out in a drop-top vintage car. And you could try her up, brother, but you know you won't get far. I've seen her in the paper, seen her on the tube. You know, I've seen her in the front row at the Rock and Roll Review. And never seen her on the cover of some big band's debut. Well, now she's the queen of the whole swing scene. Well, now she's the queen, you know what I mean. Come on, queenie, go, 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 tearing up that big dance floor. She's the queen of the whole swing scene. Well, I see her really walking down the avenue. She had a rockabilly cat on her arm with a flat top boot.
Thank you so much, couples. Now let's welcome couple number 11, 256.